Alright, so hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert to money. Alright, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and of course, if you want to learn a profitable Forex strategy, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. Alright guys, I've been on these charts for quite some time. Sadly, the moves have already started playing out. I'm in on one of these trades. Give me a second, I'm going to share my screen with y'all. Okay, but we've got some crazy moves that are playing out right now. Alright, I had this level marked out for gold. Okay, so this is still an impulse. Let's see if we want to get a close, a retest, and a rejection of this zone. Alright, and then we can maybe look to test out that area. And on the indices, that's what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at, okay?
No audio. No audio.
I'm sorry? Do you guys hear me? Nope, I'm not muted. Do you guys hear me? Cram, you're muted? Damn it, did you guys hear anything I said?
No.
Nothing at all? Nothing at all? Alright, I'm so sorry you guys. I just gave the intro and I was telling you guys that I had these levels marked out and it's all already beginning to play out, okay? But let's see, these could just be impulses. We do have news releasing soon, so we're looking at something like that. Let's see, we could still close up then, we could still get the move. Something like this. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. I didn't realize Zoom was muted. I am not muted on YouTube. We're good, and this is gold, okay? How you guys doing? I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope everything's good. We do have news, jobless claims, and okay, watch for that wick fill on Goldie. Alright, we are coming into some. I like the break of this. Alright, maybe we happen to break that. Right, and we could possibly get that move to the downside, including that wick fill. Okay, so let's see. The break of this. Nice 50 pip move. 20 pips on Nasty, okay? Let's see if they hold at our demand. Are you guys in any sort of trades right now? What's happening, you guys? Nothing, not yet. Okay. Alright, so we update this now. Let's have that there, and let's have it here. Okay? Updated on Nasty. Let's take a look at the RSI as well. Okay, looks good. Let's fix this up as well. Let's look at that on gold, okay? Caught 1% on the sells. Lovely, Rapid, my man. Don't be getting in on anything else, alright? If you've made your 1%, that's all you need for the day, literally. Alright, we had a crazy day yesterday, man. I don't know how many of you guys were able to be part of that, but it was a pretty intense day. All right, so the dirty's coming back to our demand to check it out. All right, maybe test it out, see if we're able to hold over there. How many of you guys joined us on yesterday's session? We had a crazy ass session yesterday, man. I wasn't supposed to come online, but thankfully I did. Made a quick 20 grand in like 15 minutes and we were done. And a lot of people were on that session. It was lovely. All right, so gold is in. Okay, now if you guys want to be looking at your gold sells, that's it. All right, because we started late, so that candle never happened. So consider this is the impulse. Let's see if they want to close this candle in. All right, on news, if we break this region, just letting you all know. All right, if we break this region, we could be looking maybe potentially to come back down here or all the way here. Okay, so one-on-ones, you guys know where you'll need to set up the orders if we've already gone through the orders, that is, okay? And the buys are going to be up here on the break of that supply. Fire session yesterday, tell me about it, man. It was a lot of fun. Okay, and what happens if we start a shot the dirty? I like this. Okay. Quick zone over here, nothing too big. But in case we want to come down, then we have something that's ready to roll, okay? That. Okay, sorry guys, just taking a quick look at everything. Just making sure everything's all set. Good morning, Space, my man. Alright, so consider that another impulse into the dirty. Sorry, into nasty, my bad. I like this potentially coming as well. Okay, is anyone in any sort of trades, any feelers or anything, guys? We have news coming out in the next, hey, you guys hear me, right? Check, check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. Boom, boom, boom. You guys hear me? Alright, so y'all hear me. Great. Okay. Good, good, good. Ready for red folder? Yes, sir. We're ready to get ripping, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's make our money and let's get out of these markets the way we always do, okay? Goldilocks. I like this. I like this on gold, right? Let's see if we have the momentum to break down, though. We could get a boop all the way up top, all right? So that'd be a nice little, maybe a potential double top or something of that sort, but we could get an impulse pushing all the way to maybe 239.5, all right? 239.5. Yep, a psychological 239 point. It could actually push up to 240 now that I think of it, okay? So we could have that little bit of a pop. I'm just going to switch this up to 240 so that we don't have people getting caught. Lovely. Okay. And yes, that is more of a level of supply. Let's go ahead and mark that up. All right, so everything's in all of the volume is in a healthy range right now. Nothing is overbought or oversold, which tells me that we're gearing up for news. Um, let's see. All right, let's see what they want to do. Let's see how they want to do it, and we're gonna try our best to capitalize on this. Okay. What do you guys want to have up for news? Do y'all want to have gold? Do y'all want to have do y'all want to have gold? Do y'all want to have the indices? Gold and dirty. Gold and dirty, cool. Let's have gold and dirty. So I'll switch this one up to Nasdaq, and we have gold over here. Lovely. All right, so we have gold, and we have the Dow, and then for the ones trading Nasdaq, that's your chart right there. Okay, Nasdaq sells. Where are they gonna kick in? They're gonna kick in right there. That push to the downside. Okay. Stay out of the chop in the meantime. Hmm? 2 minutes to news. One minute to news. My bad. 1 minute. 1 minute. Thank you, Space. All right. So what are you guys getting into? I like the dirty. I'm looking at the dirty right now. I like it. Let's have another insane day. Come on, let's do it, man. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna quickly set up an order for the dirty, you guys. I'm looking at about that region over there. Okay, give me a quick second. Okay, my order is set and good to go on the dirty. I don't think I'm gonna have time for a gold order. I'm probably gonna have to try and be trigger finger for this in case it wants to happen. Watch your spreads as well, guys. Okay, this is news. Let's get it. All right. Boom. They're trying. They're trying. Look at gold. Gold is most likely probably going to get rejected from here. Let's see. Not too much volume with the dirty right now, you guys. Not too much volume, okay? All right, so I just got in on this break. They're giving us time to breathe, and I'm running. I'm up. This was my entry point. I'm up by about 12, 13 pips right now. I'm going to change this to break even because I don't want to risk it. It could be a liquidity grab. 3, 3, 4, 7, 8. All right, so I'm in a risk-free position, you guys, and I am up by about 6, 7 pips right now. Okay, 6, 7 pips. Boom! Look at gold giving us a little bit of an impulse. I got stopped out at break even. I got stopped out at break even for the dirty. All right, I'm glad I was able to put a quick stop loss over there. Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq was the one, you guys. We hit TP. All right, we hit TP on Nasdaq, but I got stopped out of this. That was my entry point right there, and I didn't lose anything straight up, but I got stopped out. Okay. The DXY is dropping, which is why we had a little bit of a pump on gold. Who caught that with me? No, man, I got stopped out on that one. It's all good. But y'all know me, all right? A risk-free trade is, or a break-even trade is still a successful trade for me, okay? W on gold, good stuff, man. Realize your profits. So as of right now, I'm in 0 trades. I'm in nothing. I got in on this. I got in on that break, as y'all can see right there. Let me mark it out for you guys for the ones that are new on here. This was my entry point on the dirty. I went up there. I was up. I was up by about 12, 14 pips. And that's that. You know, I got stopped out. All right. But I was in a risk-free position, so I got stopped out at break even. Okay. So I didn't lose any money on this trade. Nasdaq, dirty liquidity grab coming in. Bearish news. Yes. Marius Nasty win. Congratulations, bro. Look at that dirty grab, dirty liquidity grab on Nasty. I want to take a quick look at the DXY as well, you guys. Okay, bearish DXY picking up some demand from right there. Let's quickly just analyze this. All right, we're coming into supply right there. TP. TP. In case the dollar wants to go bullish, we'll be looking at something like this, and of course if the dollar wants to go bearish, we'd be looking at something like this. Made 1.5% on gold. Congratulations, you guys. Awesome. I love the way you guys are making money on this, man. Lovely, lovely. I myself haven't made anything so far, so I'm really glad and I'm really happy that you guys are. Okay, good stuff. Congratulations. And listen, if you guys have hit your daily targets, get out. Literally, it's as simple as that. If you've made your money, you're good to even leave the stream. All right, I'll stay on the stream with the demo account, but please don't be risking your live accounts, especially after you've already hit your profit target for the day. Okay. All right, oddly, the Dow is super choppy. I was expecting some more movement on the Dow. Also, guys, London's going to be happening an hour earlier tomorrow, okay? So we have some red folders, some GBP red folders, and Cash is going to be catching those red folders for you guys. So for the ones that are going to be coming on, it's going to happen an hour earlier, okay? So you guys better be there. She's going to have an absolute blast of a session with you guys. And I think it's going to be her first time trading a red folder with the group live, if I'm not wrong. So give her all the love, give her all the support, and she's going to make you guys and us some serious money tomorrow, okay? So make sure you're there. It's going to be an hour earlier. Head on to stream schedules on our server and make sure you've set the reminders up for the stream, okay? Lower volume than I thought. Likewise, Manny. I was expecting some more volume, but it is what it is, man. There's not too much we can do about it. Also, that's only the first 5-minute candle on news, okay? That's only the first 5-minute candle. All right, Nasty didn't even close in our box. Just gave us some really dirty VIX. Okay, pretty slow. All right, pretty slow. I thought it was going to be something like yesterday, boom, boom, in and out. But it is what it is, man. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now, or are you guys just watching? What's up with you guys? I'm going to get this Dow by just slightly lower now. All right, because I do believe that we could pick up some demand from here and potentially start to make our way back up, okay? Maybe they're making a little bit of double bottom as well. Tickle 11 waiting for a clean move. Awesome. Sounds good. I hope it was a feeler. I'm not going to be looking at Nasty. I don't like Nasty right now. Let's take a look at that. Okay. The buyers are unable to step in. All right, the buyers tried. The sellers pushed them right back down. We haven't been oversold. We just flirted with our oversold zone and then we went right back up. So yeah, do we have potential for the dollar to fall down? Yes, we do. Will that have an effect on gold? Most likely. All right, so if we see the dollar come into that, we could potentially also see gold come into that. Okay, so let's keep an eye on it. If not, if they want to start to push down, we have our neckline beautifully marked right there, so we could get a nice little break of our neckline and potentially a push and a lower low that these markets would want to create. Okay, let's not look at Nasty. Well, your slow sessions make me sleepy, you guys. I'm sorry. Slow sessions really make me sleepy. Y'all know it. Y'all can probably hear it in my voice already. um, I become a completely different man when these candles are thick. I'm gonna switch up gold a little bit, okay, for you guys. Let's have gold maybe somewhere here. Let's see, alright? Let's see if this candle wants to close back in our box. And then we could maybe try and get something like that, okay? Let's throw on an alert right here. Okay, let's see if the DXY wants to pick up support. All right, listen, having sessions like these is crucial, okay? It's very important because you guys need to realize that not every day is going to be crazy. You'll need to realize that there are going to be slow days. But these are the best days because these are the days that you get learning about these markets, and most importantly, these are the days that teach you patience and discipline. And trust me when I say this, all right? Patience and discipline is everything in these markets. If you don't have, if you're going to be too greedy, if you're going to be too fearful, either of these, you're not going to make money in these markets. Straight up, you need to respect a strategy. You need to be disciplined, and you need to spend time in these markets. All right. As much as I say it, I like having the 15-20 minute sessions, but money's not always made that way. All right, straight up. And for the ones that, excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. And for the ones that think every day is going to be like yesterday, you're in for a reality check, okay? Okay, new candle opened up again. Let's see, this is leading into the 15-minute momentum. I like these buys coming in. I like these sells coming in as well. I think I'm a little more inclined towards US 30 right now, so that's what I'm going to try and trade. All right, so let's do, I'm going to get in on a little bit of a feeler. I have no problem if this goes completely against me. My stop loss is going to be right there at that wick. I'm getting in with pretty much just a micro lot, okay, a dollar a pip. All right, so I'm in with a little feeler buy for the dirty. I'm going to get rid of this just because I'm monitoring this constantly. Let's hope that the 15-minute volume gives us something, okay? Okay, they're bringing it right back down. This is about a 37 pip move to the downside. Okay, so if that hits my stop loss, that's going to be $37. Choppy day today, you guys. All of these wicks, that's a lot of chop. I was expecting cleaner volume today. Okay. It's extremely, we've been oversold. I feel like this is a healthy retest before we start a push up back to the 50. Nasdaq not doing much. Damn it, I should have pulled out my 3K, man. I shouldn't have had a break-even stop loss. I should have straight up just pulled it out, and I'd at least be done for the day. Are you guys sleepy as well? I see the chat pretty dead today. If I don't have the energy, it seems like you guys don't as well. All right, one-on-ones. What are we starting to see with gold right now? Are you all seeing? Are you seeing anything on gold? BE on GU. Lovely, bro. I love the fact that you've started trading GU. I love it. We'll talk about it next week. One-on-ones. What are we seeing on Goldie? What could potentially be beginning to form on gold right now? Wow, that's a lot of different answers, but Space has got it. All right, all right. It takes a little bit of a trained eye to be able to spot this, so props to you, Space. I like it, but I'm starting to potentially see, again, potentially, the beginning of an inverse head and shoulders. All right, so we could be looking at some like that, like that, like that, like that. Maybe a drop that back down to demand. And then we could be getting some like that. Okay, good job, Space. Shows you've been putting in the work, my man. Okay, and on gold, we've come into a solid level of supply right here, naturally, but that also means that this wick could be filled. Okay, so when is this inverse head and shoulders going to be complete? It's going to be complete if we get rejected from our supply, but we need to hold at our demand. If we don't hold at our demand, they're going to bring it back down, going to possibly make it a double bottom, whatever it is. But my overall sentiment for this market, keeping this wick fill aside, all right, because for me, this is not going to be a bullish move. If price wants to come down here, this is not going to be a bearish move, not at all. All right, looking at the bigger picture, all of these patterns seem like they're trying to make trend reversal patterns. Okay, so let's see. Maybe it plays out now, maybe it plays out for market open, but we've got to keep an eye on this. Thanks, babe. Cash literally went and got me some coffee because she saw how sleepy I was getting. Let the caffeine kick in. I was going to say cocaine. My bad. YouTube, don't strike us, please. All right, so the dirty is in. I am out. I got stopped out of my dollar trade. I got stopped out, you guys. It is what it is. I lost 35 bucks on this. A little bit of a feeler. Let's see. All right, let's see. Gold giving us a little bit of an impulse. This is giving us an impulse as well. Let's not get nasty. All right, we could be coming back down to our daily on the Dow. All right, so I want to see how these 4 minutes close. I'm not getting in on any trades. You guys have already taken an L on a feeler today. I'm okay with not taking any trades, okay? Because if these markets don't want to respect the analysis, so be it, all right? I'm fine by just sitting on the sidelines and watching things play out because I'm going to be learning a lot anyway. All right, so let this first candle play out. Is anyone hopping in on the dirty sells right now? Is anyone on this? Come on. Where's everyone at? Where are the chats? All right, space 0. Nope. Okay. I'm on a gold shot. Be careful, buddy. Small feeler on the break-in. Lovely. None from 2038. Watching. Okay. This is what I mean, all right? Be careful, you guys. Be in with small positions. Wait for the goddamn candle to close, man. Straight up. Is Head and Shoulders forming on D30? I don't have DAX charted up, buddy. I don't have DAX on right now. I could take a quick look for you if you like, though. Oh, you mean U30? Okay. Inverse Head and Shoulders. Sorry, that's gold. U30. What are you asking on the U30? Is that a Head and Shoulders? Could be. Could be, but doesn't look like it too much to me. I don't see it. I don't see it. It's all going to depend on how we react at our at this new low that we've created. Because again, if we start to bounce back from here, and if we, so what I like to do in this time is I like to switch this up to supply. All right, because we have supply that flips to demand, demand that flips to supply. Now, if we get rejected from our supply, then yes, we could be potentially coming into a head and shoulders. Okay, but till then, it doesn't look like it, not yet at least. Yeah, Space, tell me about it, man. They're making us work today. By work, I mean wait. Looking like a market open move for gold, possibly, buddy. Possibly. Because the rejection from here is probably gonna happen. Yesterday just gave it all. Yeah, man, which is why I'm not stressing, bro. I mean, I had an insane day yesterday. Even if I don't trade today and tomorrow, I'd still be good, right? And especially if PPI wants to be this way, we can just imagine the kind of manipulation that's going on in these markets right now. Okay, so for me, I stay away from these markets at this time. I'm literally on the call for you guys right now. You know what? This is a good time to maybe get some questions rolling. So how many of you guys are new on here? I've noticed a pattern every time we come on early. We have fewer people join the stream. I've literally noticed this in almost the 1 month that we've been doing Zoom. All right, so this is a little more exclusive. All right, we've got fewer people here today, so let me know, you guys. Do y'all have any sort of questions? Is anyone new on here? Do y'all have any questions? I get a lot of DMs with y'all asking me stuff. I'm not going to be replying to DMs. There are too many of them, and I'm not a texter. I'd rather just speak to you guys because y'all have access to me literally every single day, right? Live. So if y'all have any questions, now's the time. Now's the time, okay? Because these markets are not moving. We might as well get learning. I might as well clear up the doubts that you guys have. Thank you for helping us. I'm very new. What's up, Alts? What's up? How's it going? Firstly, welcome to Forex. I reckon you've joined the server and that's how you're here. Well, we're Forex traders. Okay, we're scalpers. We scalp these markets. We use technical analysis. We use support and resistance, supply and demand and break of structure to find our zones. And we get in and get out of trades. All right, if you have any questions about how to get started, about what we do, let us know. How do you set your stop loss? Based on pips or market structure? Yes. So it really depends. With the one-on-ones, what I do is I give them fixed stop losses based off of the right money management, but that's something that beginners usually end up doing. The more advanced way of doing it is realizing that every trade is different and being able to set it based off of structure. A lot of the new Forex traders, they begin they find it hard in the beginning because of the calculation of pips and lots and so on and so forth. A lot of thanks. We love you, brother. My funded account plus 20% in 4 days. Hey, you're the 20% guy. Lovely. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Could you also set up the chart with analysis with screen share on while on the sessions in the future? I do a couple of analysis every now and then online, every now and then when I'm on the stream, but it's just that I literally, we're sitting for like 3 hours before the stream starts, so I wouldn't know when to start the stream, which is why we just come about 15-20 minutes before either news or our market open. But yeah, we do some charting every now and then, like yesterday. Literally, we charted up 3 charts live in 10 minutes. The one that made me 20 grand yesterday, the dirty, we charted that up in what, guys? A minute? I think it was less than 60 seconds. I'm pretty sure I beat my own record. And it was like 60 seconds. It was insane. Blind Eye Crime, King of Pips. Thanks, man. Appreciate you, brother, always. Space has been such a help, you guys. You'll have no idea. The men's, he's been awesome. He's been nothing but an asset to us, and yeah, a lot of you guys have a lot to learn from Space. Trust me when I say that. Started off relatively new, and is a profitable, successful trader right now. I love it. Potential bullish divergence on 15-minute chart on the dirty could see a swipe lower than reverse. Let's give it a look, Manny. Yes, sir. I like it. I'm telling you, man. I'm waiting for those buys to kick in. Okay, but that being said, we are creating a lower low now. This daily is hard to break, right? 33360, 33350, potentially psychological 50. Maybe we could head there. You go. That's the 50 area. Okay, so maybe we come back down there, make a little bit of a move over there, but I find a break below this pretty hard. Okay, because we've already done what? I think this should be at least a 65-70% retracement. Okay, so of course, if they break this, they're coming down for the 100% retracement. Till then, we've got to watch though. I like the bulls coming in over here though. Thoughts on dropping the charts in a channel on Discord? I used to do that earlier, buddy, but sadly my charts were being misused at the time. They were going around on other groups and all of that stuff, which is why collectively as a company we decided to stop sharing the charts, but we'll figure out a way to do that for you guys in the near future, okay? $50 fib? Okay. Which is a great place to pick up support from, right? Yep, exactly. That's what I'm looking at, Space. Now this is just getting choppier and choppier. Okay, the candles are getting smaller, they're getting wickier. They could be baiting the retail into these sells right now. All right, let's see in the next 5 minutes, maybe we have some momentum to actually kick in. So we've got to see, all right? Yep, we have the new Ali opening up in the next 5 minutes as well. Muhammad, for sure, bro. We'll definitely try to get something sorted out for you guys, okay? Hang in there, buddy. Should we do some GU, guys? Maybe throw on another chart over here. What do y'all say? Okay. Cool. Let's start from the daily. Let's have that right there. Let's have some up there as well. TP in there. Okay. Pretty choppy, man. GU's pretty choppy as well. Um, Look at that. Alright, we're all over the place on GU. Beautiful neckline coming in right there. Second neckline coming in right here. Switch that up. Push to the upside. Small moves. Not too big. 10 pips there. Break of that. And that could be possibly a bigger move coming in. We have some demand sitting down here as well. Not too much happening, you guys. Seriously, I personally don't like GU too much. Space, what are we looking at on GU? What are you thinking? Yeah, I'm hoping the Ali swap brings something, bro. I don't like this. I really don't. Dead day. I wouldn't be risking my lots for that. Straight up for those 15 pips, I'm not doing it. I'd rather have the shots down there, or we could look to buy this area when we attempt to come down there, okay? Buys most likely up above there. Sells are coming in. Yeah, that's what I think. I'm not even marking up the buys because I don't like how it's looking right now. But again, if we wanted to get in on a quick scalp, that from here to there, okay, could give you a quick maybe 20 pips. Yep. Yeah, I know it's not rolling. Oh, look at the dirty, man. We missed it. We missed it. All right, the dirty's selling off. The dirty's selling off. Let's see if they break past that. Let's see, okay? Let's see. Dirty's still pushing. Is anyone in on this? Alright, now to me seems like a good time to quickly set up an order. Alright, right there. From there till the move to the downside, okay? So if it wants to break, I don't think it's going to, but if it wants to, we could get triggered in, okay? But I do not like the sells, straight up. Okay, I have an order set up. Let's see if I get triggered in, you guys. Let's see if I get triggered in. Is anyone in on the dirty sells? Anyone at all? Okay, close to getting triggered in. I have my cell sitting right there, that zone. We break out from there and boom, maybe we could get a little bit of a drop. TXY pushing. Wow, look at that, man. The DXY is moving, but gold isn't. All right, so the DXY beautifully respected TA like we thought it would. Boom, retest, rejection, push to the downside, push to the upside, close, retest, rejection, push to the upside again. Beautiful move on the DXY, but it's not replicating the same on gold. All right, I'm still not triggered in on the dirty. That's my trigger point, somewhere there. What a slow day, you guys. What a slow day. I'm about 6 pips away from my entry point on the dirty. I'll let you guys know if and when I get triggered on this. Triggered a shot. Yes, 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 Val. This week is great, isn't it, Cram? Seems like a lot of text. But it's been a good week, man. It's been a good week. We're not necessarily getting all of the moves all the time, but yeah, it's been a really good week for learning, especially for you guys. Right, this is what I mean. You see why I had my trigger point all the way down there? Just because I didn't want to get caught in a little bit of a fake out here, okay? So let's see if this candle even wants to close below our daily support. Because guess what, guys? If they close above our daily support, there's a solid chance that they're going to start to try and pick back up, okay? This is called being safe, all right? I just didn't hit sell, but I finally, all right, so we had a little bit of a delayed reaction on gold. But let's see in the next 40 seconds if this wants to close in our box, okay? I'm out of gold, okay? Alright, look at GU. Look at GU. Closed in our box and pushing, alright? Let's see. Let's see if they want to create something over there. Gold. Break. Retest. Rejection. Boom. Push. Look at that. Dirty is pushing down as well. Alright. You guys on gold should be making some money right now. Should be making some money on gold. Look at that. They're pushing gold down. They're pushing gold down. Come on. Come on. Goldilocks. Goldilocks. Give us the move. Don't pick support from there. Give us the move. And of course, they pick support right from there. Okay, so liquidity grab. If any of you guys got in on this, I hope you all have realized your profits already. I closed at the wrong point. Yeah, you could have caught that, buddy. But I hope you guys realized your profits. Because this happens, all right? This is the definition of a choppy market right here. Straight up. All right, but of course, if they want to break this, I'd be looking to possibly get in for the wick fill, okay? I'm going to be trigger finger on this one, you guys. Alright, I'm watching it on my phone. Alright, we have some momentum starting to kick in. Yeah, GU is very choppy, bro. GU very choppy right now. Recommend you to stay away from this. No, but actually, that's a structure break, man. Fuck it. If you're in on this, eat, bro. That's structure right there, bro. Structure. Right, let's look at gold, okay? The dirty is falling as well. Look at that. Look at that. All right. I deleted since I started looking at gold, I deleted this because you all know me. I don't like being in multiple orders at the same time. But I'm running on gold right now, and I'm running by about $1,000 on gold, 500, 570, 720. It's ranging, all right, in and out. I got in right about there, and it's ranging right now, okay? Maybe I should have stuck with my dirty move. It would have given me something nice, but I'm up. I'm up by about $1,000 on Goldilocks right now, okay? I'm going to change this to break even. 1,500. All right, I just saw a flash of 15. 1,800, $2,000 on gold. I'm going to change this to break. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Before I could change it to break even. Look at the dirty, man. I feel so bad. That was my move. That was my move. I hit it. I hit it. Anyway, who's catching this? Again, this is a straight up break, retest, rejection, and a break of previous structure right there, you guys. What a move, man. Why did I delete this goddamn freaking... Ah! I hate myself right now. Did any of you guys catch the dirty? Anyone in on the dirty? W on dirty, good stuff, Manny, good stuff. Eat for me as well, alright? Slow day for me today, you guys. I feel like I'm not 100% into it. That's what I feel. Nope, not me. GU's making me eat. Good for you, my man. Good for you. Alright, looking nasty as well. Damn it, I'm picking all the wrong instruments to trade today. I'm right at about 600, 1,000, 1,300. Come on, I'm going to close this. Give me a bit and I'm going to close gold. Come on, you guys. Let's all say it together. Gold push, gold push, gold push, gold push. Let's do it. Is anyone in on gold with me? Gold push, gold push. Yes, sir. Let's try and get it, okay? Let's try to get it. Let's see, we need to have the volume to break this. I'm not liking the rejection. In all honesty, you guys, I'm not liking this rejection. Seems like the volume's starting to die out, okay? But the RSI shows me that we need to push down. Price action, volume needs to start pushing down. It's just that we don't have momentum, okay? I'm so mad at myself for not catching these 50 pips on the dirty right now. I'm not even kidding, all right? It's pissing me off today. I'm only human as well, you guys. I get emotional sometimes as well. I trade emotionally too. It happens to the best of us. And it is the way it is, all right? It's part of the game, and we just need to know how to deal with it, and we need to know how to sort of be able to manage our risks, because that's the only thing that we truly need in these markets, okay? So now if we don't break this, and if we start to pick back up, they're pushing, all right? So I'm going to be setting a hard stop loss for this guy. Somewhere in and around that area, our now turn demand zone, because I do realize that if we start to push up, then we're most likely going all the way back up, okay? See what I mean? Alright, I'm just watching it really closely right now, you guys. Nasdaq. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Give us the gold. Come on. Push down, man. Fucking push down. What's the DXY doing? Alright, so DXY is having a little bit of a retest potential. As long as we hold at this demand, we have potential to push back up. Maybe we start to see a reaction on gold. I like the wick fill. The wick fill has to happen. Okay, the Dow is still dropping. It's dropping pretty hard. Mm-hmm. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay. Gold's giving us some potential momentum to the downside. Alright, so I feel like this is a nice discounted rate for the dirty. Alright, so let's look at maybe something like that. And of course, if they still want to create lower lows, they're going to keep pushing down. Okay, this is only and only for the retracement. But damn it, man. Solid move on the dirty, and I missed it. Okay, we have about 15 minutes to market open, you guys. I'm going to stay to market open, see if there's anything that wants to come around in these markets. And if not, we'll call it a session, right? It is what it is. Slow day. I see that a lot of people on here have left the call as well because you guys have gotten spoilt. And you guys want crazy days and crazy moves and me screaming all the time. But it doesn't always work that way, okay? How many spots do we have for the... Do we have any for the one-on-ones? No? Right, so Cash just told me that we don't have any spots open as of right now for the one-on-ones. But in case you guys want to join, because we will have some slots opening maybe by Monday, message Cash and just let her know that you're interested to join. So whenever we have the slots open, she'll message you guys and let you all know, okay? I hate US 30. US 30 honestly moves the best. It does. It's very, very volumized, and it moves really well when it does. But it's just that it's being choppy right now, and it's just not moving right now. Is gold the only trade since the start of the stream? No, it's not just gold. We have NASDAQ. We have the dirty. Sorry, GU. We have... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Damn it, bloody hell, I didn't even see it, but I'm running by 2,300 on gold. Alright, 2,460 on gold. Break that, give it to me, give me my 10 pips. 2,700 on gold, come on, man, come on. Don't fucking bounce back up, don't do it. Don't do it. Alright, push. I'm gonna change this to break even, okay guys, I don't want to risk it. I held it in about $1,000 of drawdown. About 4 or 5 pips. I don't want to be in that position no more. And I'm up right now. Okay, so I'm going to be smart and I'm going to change this to break even. 2033.78. 2033.78. Alright, so I'm in a break even trade. Okay, and boom! There you go. 4 grand. I'm catching 4 grand on gold. Finally! Let's do this. Drop more. Let's fucking get this. 4 grand. 4,200. 5 grand on gold. I just got 5,000 on gold. Boom! Who caught that with me? I realized my position. 5 grand in, 5 grand out. Nothing more, nothing less. Finally! Ugh! They made us work today, you guys, and they made us work so hard. It's still dropping. How many of you guys are making it on gold? This is what I mean. Patience. All right, we waited for the move to happen, and when it happened, we were able to capitalize on it, you guys. We need one setup like this. One setup, yes. It didn't happen in the first 10 minutes. It didn't happen in the first 15 minutes. But with conviction, with risk management, and with us here at Forex Trading, you're going to be able to make your money, all right? This was intense. It was insane. I made 5 grand. How many of you guys are still running on gold? I want to know. Another textbook classic clean move. They made us... You guys want to cram the scream? Here you go. That's it, man. Shotting with you, man. Thanks. Who caught that? Yes. Who caught that? WW. Congrats. Not a sleepy cram after gold volume. Not at all, buddy. Patience is key. Yes, JJ, patience is everything in these markets. All right? I took an L on my feeler today. I got stopped out of a break-even trade. I think you guys were probably figuring it out. I was getting a little triggered by these markets today. But patience, all right? With the right mindset, with patience, and of course, with risk management, you're always going to end up in the blues in these markets. Trust me when I say this, all right? I'm literally a live living example of that in front of you guys. I do everything live. You guys know when I'm getting stopped out. You guys know when I'm taking L's. Most importantly, you guys know when I'm making those W's, okay? And with practice, those W's happen, right? 5 grand. I could have been up by 10 grand right now, but I don't care. I'm not complaining because I took what I had to take and I'm out. Took out partials. Good stuff, Alex. I'm glad you did that. Still running on gold. Make sure to realize your profits. Don't be greedy. If you're up, take what you're getting. Running big. Anis W, first trade here and W on gold. Cheers, Val, still in. Damn 2%, as Cram always says. It's money I didn't have before. Absolutely, brother, absolutely. I'm already closing. Big W. Yo, welcome, Val. Awesome. All right, finally. I can chill out now. I can sit down. I don't need to be stressing because I'm done for the day. Literally, 5 grand is a very, very good profit target for me. And trust me, man, people struggle to make that much in a whole month with their 9 to 5. Okay, we're just blessed that we're here. We're just blessed that we have the opportunity to do these things in these markets, and we're able to make the money that people make in a month in just an hour. You know, I'm really grateful. I really am. And this is it's this, you know, these learnings from trading. This is what makes me addicted to trading. Yes, the big moves and all of that is good, but just these markets humbling me every single time, these markets grounding me, and then when I come out on top of that, that's the thing that keeps me going, because these aren't in our control. These aren't in our control, all right? But we're just so blessed and so grateful to be part of this, and we're just able to make our money. That's all I'm saying. It's insane, man. It's insane. I don't really believe in a God, but if I did, I would be thanking him or her right now. Seriously, this is amazing. Power of Forex, absolutely, buddy. Close my gold up by 4.8. Lovely. Look at that move on gold. I love it so much. I love it. Fully out, successful day. Yes, sir. Me too. I lost $35 and I made 5 grand. Very, very successful day. Gold's still dropping. Gold's pushing down to that area. Literally, it's going for that wick fill. People here don't do it in 4 months. Absolutely, buddy. I know. Time to close MT4. I agree. Time to close it, all right? Literally, mine's closed as well. I'm done. I'm happy. All right? So this is the impulsive move into the dirty. All right? I'm not trading this. I'm not going to be taking it, but if any of you are, that's the break. That's TP. Okay? Come on. Give it to our army of millionaires. I'm not going to say give it to me, but give it to our army of millionaires, okay? If any of you guys are in on this, please manage your risk. Please. I'm telling you guys, have your stop loss there. Don't have it any more than that, because trust me, if it comes down here, it's coming all the way back down to that wick, okay? And this is about... It's about a 20 pip move. So if you don't have the right risk management, you could be in a major drawdown. Look at gold still freaking bleeding. If we break past this, man, gold's going to waterfall to the downside. I mean that. If we don't hold at this, if we don't pick up some buyers from here, gold's next stop is there. What a freaking move on gold, man. If DXY breaks all those high. DXY just did it. There you go. Gold's doing it as well, right? Gold's doing it as well. Boom! Look at that drop. The waterfall like we spoke about. Oh, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The DXY soaring high, gold dropping low. Just like how we like it. Alright, so I feel bad for the people that left. You know what I'm saying? If they were impatient, they left out, they missed on these trades. It's simple. It's simple. Alright, but the ones that stick, you guys are the real army of millionaires. Because trust me, man, if y'all are going to stick by us, if y'all have the patience in these markets, y'all are going to make money with us. And that goes without saying, alright? The ones that want to just come, want to just see that, oh, okay, they're not doing much. They're just talking. There's this dude. He's talking. He's got a pretty nice voice. He's good looking. And he's talking. But as long as these people are saying just that, it's all good. You know, they don't care. They're going to miss out. And trust me when I say this, they're not the army of millionaires. You guys are. All right. So patience, patience, patience. That's everything in these markets. Okay. Oh, you crack me up, Cram. Cheers, GGFX. Looking forward to our session in the next couple of minutes. Yes, guys, this better. Let's show them, the ones that left. Let's show them some success stories, okay? Let's make sure to go on and let's make sure to post up on success stories. You guys made your money. Y'all can't be complaining. Let's get it done. All right. So just go. Put it up. It doesn't matter if you're paper trading. It doesn't matter if you were trading literally $1, or if you made $10, $100, 1,000, 10,000, 5,000, 100,000, whatever it is that you made. As long as you made something, or even just got some value out of the session, that calls for a success story. Okay, let's show the people that left why they shouldn't be leaving. All right, because this is forex, man. Anything can happen at any time, and the ones that stick by it are the ones that make money. The ones that don't, they're just they just come and go. You know what I'm saying? They're the ones that say forex is a gamble. Us, we're technical analysts. We trade price action. We trade these markets the way that they're supposed to be traded. There are a ton of streamers out there that are telling you all the wrong things about these markets. Literally, there are a ton of people out there that are making this more complicated than it needs to be. The truth is, all that you need in these markets are the basics. We strip things down to its basics. We look at support, we look at resistance, we look at supply, we look at demand, and we look at break of structure. That's it. You're not going to see those indicators on our charts. You're not going to see anything of that sort. You're just going to see clean charts with a couple of lines and just some boxes for us to make our pips and our money, all right? I'm going to have my first session with you tomorrow, Cram. Cheers. Looking forward to it. All right, and like I said, for the one-on-ones, if you guys want to get booked up, we don't have a slot for this week, but still, message Cash and let her know so that whenever she has the slot. So what she does is, as soon as the slot's open, she goes back to her messages and she sees who was the first one, and in that order, she goes and she sends it across to people, all right, as the slot's open. So even if there isn't a slot right now, but you guys want to get booked up in the near future, you want to make sure to message her, let her know that I'm messaging you for the one-on-one private sessions. So just let me know whenever a slot is open, and when your turn comes, you guys will get a slot, okay? Trust me when I say this. These are very, very underrated sessions, undervalued sessions. We're not doing it for the money. I think that's pretty clear to all of you guys by now. All right, I've said this a ton of times earlier, and I'm going to say it again. My mentor told me that never do anything for free when you're as good as we are at forex trading. Okay, so we've priced it extremely nominally. You can ask anyone the kind of value that they get out of these sessions, and to be honest, it's pretty crazy that we're actually still doing this, which is why I'm not going to be doing it for too long. It's just that there is a lot of demand, so I have to supply, and that's why we're still doing this. But it's only a matter of time before these, I wouldn't say stop, but these become extremely limited. All right, they're pretty limited now as well. Forex funds are the best. Yes, sir. Trust the process and put in the work, and you'll be rewarded always, 100%. What did Nasty do? Yeah, not nice. Could go all the way back up, or boom, down there. That looks nice, okay? But whenever they do that, lovely, we caught the shoulders. Maybe we go back up to create a double top as well, and then maybe start to push down. But watch for 13340, okay? All right, is any of you trading the dirty buys? I personally am not in on this. But if you guys are, if that was your entry point, you should be up by about 5-7 pips right now. Let's see if you can get your 10. All right, and like I said, have a nice hard stop loss over here. This is where I told you guys to have your stop loss. Guys, London's going to be an hour earlier tomorrow, okay? So the ones that are going to be joining, make sure y'all are there for London an hour earlier. VNS, I think yours is the morning session tomorrow, correct? Looking forward to it. Okay, I'm going to stick around for the next 3-4 minutes, you guys, and I'm going to call it, okay? I have to prep up a couple of minutes, and I'm going to be out. GU Space worked out beautifully. You still holding this, or did you get out of this? Did you liquidate it? Good move though. Good move on beautifully caught structure, break, retest, rejection, and a push to the downside. All right. I'm sure that's not too many pips, but these are the kind of pips that we usually tend to get on the FX pairs. Okay. The FX pairs, they trade very differently from the indices, guys. They trade very differently. Still got to get 100% used to how they move. Yeah, man, it takes a little bit of time, especially because you're used to the indices, but it's slower. It's. I personally find this easier to trade. We'll talk about this on the next week, but there are some adjustments that you can make to your money management to capitalize on this more. We'll work it out next week on our one-on-one session. All right, buddy? He set up a reschedule for my last session. What is the best way to do this? Thank you, solid W on gold today. Congratulations. Message cash, please. Message cash for anything one-on-ones related, okay? I'm sorry if you guys are messaging me. Trust me when I say this, I haven't even seen them. Just message her, and she'll reply to you guys as and when she sees them, okay? Is anyone on the on the dirty right now? I spoiled JJ and introduced him to GU2, and he ate good. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Most FX pairs are gonna respect structure, JJ. Most. They trade very differently from the indices. They're a lot slower. They're a lot slower, but you're usually gonna see them respect TA. What is the next move on gold? Don't be looking for anything more on gold, alright? We milked a nice solid setup right here. Don't be looking for anything. Oh, look at that! What did I tell you guys on the dirty? Look at that, alright? I hope someone is catching this. One of you guys better be catching this. And I know a lot of my one-on-ones, if anyone was on here, y'all got in on that, realized your profits, and are probably even out right now. All right, so that's a nice little break. Okay, this move on the dirty is a 30 pip move. It's not worth it at all, buddy. Trust me when I say that. If anything, you want to start looking for retracements on gold. But that fill to the daily support could happen. All right, now this is a healthy retracement. Look at that. Okay, push up, come back down. Demand over here, they're probably going to pick right back up from here. Alright, so this is market open, you guys. There's nothing too much that's happening even on market open. I'm pretty sure a move's going to come in the next 15 or 30 minutes. But I'm done for the day. I caught what I... Oof, they're fucking falling now. Look at that. Alright, Nasty's falling as well. Nasty's maybe making that head and shoulders that we were talking about. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Maybe it's coming through, but there's solid demand over here that we need to break past, okay? Guys, I'm gonna call it a session. Listen, I'm done with my profit target for the day. I know that a lot of you guys are done as well, so don't be over trading these markets. You'll need to know when to stop, and if you've made your money just the way I did, 1:100, Victor, 100x. All right, if y'all make your money just the way I did, then y'all should be out of these markets. Literally, I'm done trading for the day. I'm going to get back at it for London tomorrow. We've got some red folders. Cash is going to be on an hour earlier for London tomorrow, okay? So you guys hop on. Trust me, it's going to be one hell of a session, and we're gonna make some money, okay? So make sure y'all hop on, and make sure you guys are going to be part of that. Nasdaq is currently trying to fall as well. Nasdaq's giving us a market open move, and so did the dirty. All right, the dirty went and hit our 4H support straight up, man. Look at that. Look at that. All right, Nasdaq still dropping. Boom. Look at that fall on Nasdaq. Anyone in on Nasdaq? Any one of you guys trading this right now? Come on, you guys. W on Nasty, of course, that's cash. Told you guys, look at the HNS. Absolutely, Space. Good call again, my man. You saw that coming. I love it. GU still dropping beautifully as well. All right, but this may not close over here, okay? We need this to close over here and successfully make this the daily resistance. If we're able to establish this as our trend line, only and only then are we probably going to get a continuation of the move. If they go and close above our daily, the move gets nullified right there, okay? And GU was I wouldn't say clean move, but a nice move, right? It's just been falling. We caught structure beautifully, and GU looks good. Fuck, look at this. Look at this. What do you guys think? Do y'all want me to be charting GU for y'all as well? What are y'all thinking? I can do it on the sessions. If we have enough traders trading GU, I'd be more than happy to chart it up for you guys. You're welcome, guys. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, we'll do GU as well, okay? Moving forward. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna call it a session. This was a slow one, but what matters at the end of the day is we close the day in the blues, we make our money, and that's the only thing that matters, okay? Because traders that are just gonna be able to bank when just for the 10 minutes that they sit on these markets, yes, that's fun to look at, that's fun to be part of, but that doesn't always happen, and those are the traders that also end up losing money, alright? But when you have the patience, when you're willing to sit and learn about these markets, when you're willing to yawn through and still not fall asleep, that's when you're going to be really, really profitable in these markets, okay? Fall in love with these markets, you guys. It's the only way to trade them successfully. Be addicted to them. Don't overdo it, absolutely, but make sweet, sweet love to them, okay? Because they have the potential of changing your lives. They changed us, and we truly believe if we are able to do this, anyone's able to do this, okay? So make sure that you guys literally fall in love with these markets, and you're going to see how well they treat you, alright? The Dow is dropping, Nasty is dropping, lovely freaking moves. The Dow closes over there. Look at that, continuation on the Dow, no retest. They could potentially go for a retest. What are the chances? Half hour candle is our 4-hour support. They don't even want to do that. The bears are really, really, really kicking in, and the moves are just continuing to happen, okay? But thank you guys so much. This was a lovely session. Milzone? Well, thank you guys. This was an awesome session, okay? We just need to have the patience, all right? There are going to be days like this. Make sure that y'all stick around to the end of the streams always, because knowing us, you know that we're never going to close the day without giving you guys some insane moves, all right? And making some really good money for ourselves too. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, wherever it is, wherever you are. And take a look at gold. Well, yeah, gold's doing its reversal, right? So if the buys want to kick in, we're looking at that region right there, okay? Up there. You could bring it down here as well, but this is your safer entry on gold. All right, have a great rest of the day, you guys. Thank you all so much. And please remember, we are going to be on an hour earlier tomorrow for London, all right? So make sure you'll catch that. And I will anyway see you guys on New York tomorrow. Thank you all so much. Have a good one. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading. You guys signing out. Get those success stories rolling. I mean it, all right? We're giving you guys a lot of value. Help us just let people know what they're missing on by putting the success stories in our server. Okay, thank you guys so much. I will see you all tomorrow for the one-on-ones message cash. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.